Well, through the government of India sources, what we are learning that China seems to be promising to address key of concerns of India, which are said to be three of them, where the Foreign Minister Wang Yi, who's in India, has assured External Affairs Minister Jaishankar that China is addressing India's needs of fertilizers, rare earths and tunnel boring machines. And these sectors are said to be critical for India's agriculture and high-tech industries and for infrastructure development. Let's get connected with Rishabh. This meeting, Rishabh, also marks the fresh round of dialogue between the two neighbors as they continue to navigate a complex bilateral relationship, of course, with the Chinese foreign minister addressing the needs and the concerns of India.
Well, definitely. See, India and China are coming together. Beijing and New Delhi are cozying up. That there is no second thought about it. And both the countries do understand that given the current geopolitical situation, both the countries need to stand by each other for the regional stability as well as for the global, power that has to be. Apart from that, if we talk about this meeting that took place yesterday, Wang Yi has landed in India, and there are three meetings. One has happened, two will take place today. Yesterday, Wang Yi, when he met Dr. S. Jaishankar, there were a lot of talks, including boundary issues and others as well, given that the two countries do have a lot of pending issues in particular. But in particular, the three things that the sources suggest: fertilizer, rare earths and tunnel boring. These are the three things that China has promised, is as per sources. Fertilizers, definitely, given that the supply chain because of Russia-Ukraine conflict or the Middle East conflict has been a problem. So yes, if fertilizers come in from China, that is a big boost for Indian agriculture. Boring machines, remember, India is a developing country. India is carving out a lot of infrastructure in various terrains, including the Western Ghats, where we would have the bullet trains and other railway infrastructures in northeast, yes, in the north.
So as far as when it comes to these concerns, how it is being raised and addressed by China as well, bringing the two nations together as seems to be cozying up just ahead of the meeting and the visit of the Prime Minister. But later we are expecting that the Chinese Foreign Minister will also be meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi later in the day. Thank you very much for the moment, Rishabh, for joining in. Well, those are the updates that